mirror.
I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. I won't slow down.
Calamira. We've just landed back in Zante, and this is literally how it starts from us. We have a short bike ride from the airport to the villa. We've just pulled into the driveway, and straight away we're surveying to see what needs to be looked at. There's been a few storms here lately. When Chris and I left last time, which was only a few weeks ago, the swimming pool was pretty much empty.
About 5 weeks ago.
It's almost a quarter full, so that shows how much rain there's been. But I'm looking around and quite happy that the grass is not too bad. So I think we're going to catch it, give it a good cut, and hopefully that's going to last for a few weeks.
Yeah, so as Joe just said, we were following on from our video last week where we told you about our life in England and what the logistics looks like as regards our children and our work and how we get here. And we've literally just got here. So we're going to spin you around and we can survey the scene together. So, first impressions.
It's not too bad. No, we've seen it. We've been here much worse. I don't even mean the very first time we came. I mean, since then we've come back after, I'm sure you've seen our 6 month where we couldn't get out last winter, and it was just an overgrown jungle. So this is actually quite exciting to see, because I know that it isn't going to take us hours and hours and hours to bring it back to basics.
It's crazy how quickly it changes from looking all summery and dry to like autumn and spring, because everything's green. Last time we saw it, it was
brown, yeah.
So it looks like our landscape fabric that we have underneath these stones is doing this job, because there's not much getting through.
No, and the gravel that Chris has added is looking nice still, and obviously that's one area less that we have to do a lot with, so that's great.
So there was some real heavy rain, and obviously that came with wind, and that seems to have disturbed some of the stones and whatever. But as Joe said, it's not the end of the world.
No. We've had much worse, haven't we, when we've arrived?
Absolutely. Yeah, pretty happy. Cool. Looks good. We even have half of a swimming pool.
It's not actually that tempting to jump into. There's quite a few
creepy crawlies.
Yeah, 1 or 2, 25 or 50.
Creepy swimmies. Okay, tell the people that might have watched last week after we were telling them about our lives. Tell them what we've done with our children this week.
So my sons are with their dad, and my daughter, who has now turned 18 and passed her driving test, is looking after the dog at home. It was difficult for me to get someone to look after the dog for this trip, so she's swooped in like a little superstar, rearranged her weekend, and we have our own new dog sitter.
Yeah, this is one of the weekends that is generally mine and Joe's without the children, and that's where they go to their other parents, and my children are in the same spot. All we've had to do is take a day off of work each, haven't we?
This is true, yes.
And that meant that I tried to make up for the work that I was going to miss out on by working all night long and coming back, packing, picking Joe up, and then going straight to the airport again. So the only sleep I've had today is sleep on a plane.
I haven't actually seen Chris since Wednesday night, so it's now kind of Friday lunchtime. I mean, obviously I saw him on the way to the plane, but barely. I kind of had my eyes at half mast. But this is what the compromise is for us. So to have some time together here, we have to compromise a bit of time together at home.
Yeah, it's all like taking from one place and then trying to give to another.
Yeah.
And we've picked this lovely Greek house as the other place, haven't we, currently?
We have, yes.
So what we're going to do now is get stuck into a few of the jobs. There's only a few maintenance jobs to do. We've got a leaf blower, which we're going to use to blast away some of the dust and leaves. Have a little sweep up, quick mow, and then we'll just get the essential furniture out that we need to for this trip. There's no point getting everything out, is there?
No. I'm interested to see how inside has fared as well with the recent storm.
We'll take you with us. So let's go and look inside.
Has there been any leaks? I hope not.
Okay, just opening the door.
I am really pleased to report that my eye that we bought last time we were here, which I've been looking for a while, has survived the storm as well whilst we've been gone. Happy about that. In we go. How tidy, how quickly did we rush out last time we left? Shall I go and put the electricity on? We have power. It was in here I was most worried about, whether there might have been a leak. Ceiling looks pretty good. There's obviously some bugs have come through up there.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time.
And this is our life coming full circle. So we started off this little mini-series in Victoria Park in East London, and we're finishing it at our local beach, which is
Kalamaki.
Kalamaki on the south coast of Zante, and it's one of the most beautiful places in the world. Let's do a little spin. This is it. This is our local beach. It's incredible, isn't it? We've been coming here for quite a while now.
It also has the hottest sand on the whole of the island. In midsummer, you will take off your flip-flops and run for your life because your feet can't touch the sand.
Oh yeah, you definitely can't stand on the sand in the summertime, can you? So we've walked down to the end of Crystal Beach and the end of Kalamaki, which is called Crystal Beach, and it just happens to be a nudist area too. So we've got some nudists behind us that we're just trying to keep out because this is a family show.
We've just spun around.
But yeah, we're blessed to have this is our local beach. It's beautiful. This is where the turtles come to nest, and this beach is probably one of the reasons why Joe picked this island in the first place, because this is where the Caretta turtle comes to nest. And if you come down here in the right time, you can see them all hatching. And if you come down here at the right time of year, you can swim with them, or swim next to them at least, can't you?
Near them, definitely. It's a very special place, yeah, for sure.
In the background, there's Daphne Beach. It's there. It's one of our favourite beaches. There's a beach called Jericas, which is just gorgeous, isn't it? Really like natural, gorgeous. That beach down there.
Yeah, and it's very close to where Chris and I stayed the very first time we came to Zante.
So this is one of the reasons why we do the things we do, why we sacrifice so much time together at home, while we work so many hours, you know, when we probably wouldn't have to if we wasn't trying to achieve this life as well. But this is what we dreamt of. And just want something else I just want to say. We don't just dream of this life together. We come over here with our kids as a group separately, and what I'm trying to say is that just because we keep our children off of YouTube doesn't mean that they're not a massive part of our lives as well. This is like something that we're doing right now as a couple,
yes,
isn't it? But if you're a family and you're trying to do that, well, trust me, we do that too.
Yeah, there's no reason why your children can't also be involved. It's a very family-friendly island to bring them to.
100%. So we are going to, well, you've been collecting shells, haven't you?
I have.
And
I have
you're
a
going to
little.
do a
Oh, I dropped one.
project. You're going
Sorry.
to do a project at home with your shells.
I am. I have a little project that I'm working on, something that I'd like to put back in the villa to commemorate Bill and Dora, who were the original founders of our villa. Something to commemorate them that will remain in the villa to remind anyone for all time that it started with Bill and Dora.
Absolutely. So we've got lots of their knickknacks. If you don't know who the heck we're talking about, Bill and Dora are the people that bought the land and built the villa in the first place, and we made a whole series of videos talking to the family that built the villa with them about that, if you'd like to go and check it out. But for now, we're just going to continue our stroll. The sun's going to go down in about an hour. I'm going to go for a walk, go for an ice cream, and then probably go and get some rest because I have not slept. And you've only had about an hour's sleep.
It's been a very long couple of days, but we're really thrilled to be here and sending you love from Zante. We'll see you soon.
See you next week.
I won't slow down.